How you guys doing? You're welcome to week 10. Ta-da! Okay, as usual, let's go to our week 10 submission. Week 10, copy of retail milestone. So this is our milestone. Our milestone is quite a lot this week, but thank God. So you need to state about your movement, what is affecting your movement, why are you not making any daily movement and stuff like that. It's actually a lot. Tracking, support plan, peer coaching, yeah. So we have research, reflection of your choosing field, yeah. It's actually a lot. Personal reflection, elevation page, current elevation page, update skill map, yeah, yada yada. It's a lot. Resume writing, that's all. So it's actually a lot, yeah. It's actually a lot. Let's just rename this real quick. We'll rename and download. So milestone 10 underscore my name underscore my surname underscore dates. Today's 20th. Full stop 03 full stop 2025. Rename. So then we download. Download. Save to file. Save. So now we go to our app, our website, our Savannah to submit. Now I need to log in. This is the old one. So we continue. We come to return. Next. So here we upload milestone 10, submit, and that is it. I know some people are having challenges in finding their community. Let me just show you once. So when you are in your Savannah like this, then you see this 3 bars here, this one. You click on this 3 bar, then you can see e-hub, that is where you make payments. Learning, this is where we are. Community, that's where you talk to your squad. Reward, that is the point. My point is 1620, where you get details about how you are being rewarded, how you get your points. Support is to chat them when you have any problems. So community, we click on community. It's loading. I don't know what is going on. Cohort 8, they are having, or 9, I don't know. They are having challenges with their community. I don't know what's going on. But for the sake of people that can access it, teach just how to go through to access your community. So when you click on, so you can see, when you click on community, it will pop up this. So then you click on these 3 line bars, then to pop all of this, you can see. Then you can see under after our community, you see professional foundation. If you're in virtual assistant, you see virtual assistant. If you're in another program, you see your program name on that. So you click on professional, you can see. Then you see the one on blue. That's where you click. That's where you can see a lot of people, data analytics and this thing, data analytics and banking. You can see a lot of people are making comments, data analysis and data science industry. A lot of people are making comments. If you type in, you can see my own 3 days ago, new week, happy new week, guys. Yeah, you can see. And you can actually make, you can see the top down this thing, you can make comments. I'm still saying new week. Good morning, guys. How is this week's modules going? Then I click on this, choose a space to post in, then click on your squad, then publish, and that is it. You've posted. So that's how to access. Let me see my notification. The people that like my post. Okay, guys, that is all, and thank you. See you in another week. Bye.